So here we have a drone with a payload underneath it being simulated in Gazebo. And I don't know about you, but this doesn't look like it's swinging in real time, even though the simulator says this is like a real time, like speed simulation. This looks to be flowing back and forth way too slowly. Let's put it into auto mode and see how it reacts. So this thing does have air drag enabled on it, and this rope is supposed to be simulated by one, two, three, four like bars linked together, and you can see that it's kind of dragging in the wind, right? It's kind of behind the drone because of how much air resistance there is. Probably too much air resistance, but that's the thing. This simulation probably isn't going to be that good because this is just me eyeballing it, right? If the air resistance looks too high, I'll lower it, but that doesn't mean that it's the same air resistance as we'll have in real life. And of course, air resistance helps to dampen a lot of the negative effects. And also just like the swinging, I don't know, it doesn't look very realistic to me. Did that catch in the drone? I don't know. I don't think so. But this is how you could simulate having a payload. And here it comes to a stop, and you can see the inertia of the payload is kind of having it swing around pretty violently. So other than air resistance, there's no real friction here, so there's not much to slow it down. I also don't know like how springy the rope is. I don't really think I set it to be springy at all. But yeah, that's simulating a payload. Kind of, I don't know, kind of neat looking, but I don't think it'll be very useful for any kind of real world simulation of what would happen with the payload. Better for seeing how the drone will react though to like different situations. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you.